Hello, good morning, guys. My name is Abdulkadir Nafisat, and thanks for being here today. You're watching my recording for my task one for my Sparks Foundation Internship, and on this project, this is just a very simple classwork. In this section, we'll be using the Python scikit-learn library for machine learning, predicting the percentage of students based on the number of study hours they put in studying using a simple linear regression model considering two variables. We start by importing our relevant libraries. We import pandas, numpy, matplotlib, pyplot plt. Then we do our matplotlib inline. So we now get our data set and reading this from the URL given to us. So we did this directly from the URL. So we write our data, and this is our data, and we can see the shape of the data is just a data set consisting of 2 columns and 25 rows. This is our information, and then we go further to do a visualization to see the correlation between scores and time spent studying. And then we can see that from this visualization, this shows like a really good correlation level between the two columns. And then we go for that to okay, now we're now trying to split out. We select our input variable. Sorry, this is supposed to be inputs here. So we select our input variables doing this and giving it x, and our target variable being y. And then we go further, we now split our data sets into training and testing using the sklearn model selection. And then we go further to define our model of interest, which is linear regression in this instance. And then we plot our line of regression. We want to see how we want to see the slope. So we see this, and then we go further to do some prediction, and then we use this on our testing data. So we did this, and then we compare our actual versus predicted, and then we put them in a table, in a data frame, which looks like this. And then we check for the score of our regression model. We want to see the accuracy score, which is 94, which is fair. Which is fair. So we fit our model to help us predict a singular data as they wanted us to. So we did this, and then we were asked to predict for 9.25 hours what would be the predicted score, and then we have this to be 87.24%. So thank you all so much. Feel free to drop in your comments, and then your criticisms, and then your reviews. Feel free to drop your reviews. Thank you so much.